Hello, welcome to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to add vouchers in bulk. So you can, if you have like 100 listings and you want to apply for a voucher, then you can do it by bulk upload. So once you have logged into your Seller Central, you have to go to advertising and then click on vouchers. So that will bring you to this page, and there's an option to create in bulk. So you have to click that create in bulk. And if you don't have a template, then you can always download this template file. Okay. So before creating the vouchers, so Amazon have certain criteria on what how on which product you can offer voucher, and all those details. You need to have specific ratings. If you don't have ratings, you can do it, but if you have rating and if it's less than 3 star, then you will not able to offer voucher. And there is price changes and all this will affect if you can include those reasons or not. So I will put the link down in the description if you want to read it through it. So this is the first one. If you have any errors, you can go through it and to show you the errors. And what on which license you can include and all those details, it's mentioned here. I will again put this link in the description for you to read. Okay, so let's jump back to the page. So you can download the template file and then you have to populate it. So I already have downloaded the template file. Yeah, so the first one, uh, you can't input anything on the red or orange. You have to look for the gray columns, and everything is clearly mentioned. So you just have to follow the guidelines which is mentioned on the Excel. The first thing is the ASINs. You can add up to 200 parent ASINs or 8,000 child ASINs. Means I've input like a few ASINs here. And the second one, it's there are two options. Either you can offer a certain percentage of the item price, or you can offer a amount like $2 or £2. So you have to select that option. So that's kind of a drop down. So you can click here and it will show you which one you want to opt for. So I'm going to select the percentage of. And now the next one, it's you want to mention how much percentage is that. So I just have to, in this case, I'm going to put 5. And you can ignore this one because this is for the money off. If you have selected money off, then you have to ignore this one and put how much money you're offering over here. And this one, you want to mention what is this offer about. So as you can see from here, you are putting the partial wording sentence here. So the first half is already been added by Amazon. Okay, like save 10%. So in our case, it will be shown as save 5% on. Then the rest of the sentence we can put it here. So it will be save 5% on our crypto seed range. And you can put the amount that you want to allocate it. So you have to keep in mind, it's a budget based. Okay, there's a price that you have to pay Amazon as well to create this voucher, and on top of it, the buyer is also getting a discount, a percentage. So that this budget includes all those details. And then it is the date. Make sure that you always put 1 day ahead, otherwise it will throw an error. So if it's 13, then I'm going to put 14 here. And you can put only up to 90 days. So make sure that you select the correct dates over there. And then you can select if you want to limit per customer. So in this case, there is no limitation. A buyer can claim as much as they want. And this one, if you want to specifically target like Prime members or anything, like you can select it from here. In this case, I'm going to offer these vouchers to all the customers which are on the Amazon. So that is done. So just going to click save. I'm just going to go back and then choose the file. So this is the one we selected. Click open. Okay, so we get a message: bulk uploaded component vouchers are being processed. So let me refresh and see. It will take some time to for the system, because there was around 30 to 40 ASINs were there. So you can check back maybe in 10-15 minutes and it will show up here. That's how you upload vouchers in bulk. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions about lightning deals or anything which are here, or anything about Amazon, just comment on the video, and we will make that video for you guys. Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.